Is a little trouble in the bedroom making you feel less of a man? That lack of self-confidence can impact a lot more than your love life. As you get older, your sexual performance decreases because the blood vessels that supply blood to your penis begin to collapse or break down. MPulse is a remarkable, non-invasive, drug-free treatment that restores blood flow to the penis by stimulating the growth of new blood flow vessels by applying focused pulses of energy to erectile tissue. It then triggers a response that wakes up dormant stem cells and growth factors in the penis. These growth factors stimulate the creation of new blood vessels, remove vascular plaque, and rejuvenate erectile tissue. Drug-free and surgery-free, MPulse is completely non-invasive and has little or no known side effects. It is a simple in-office procedure, with each treatment taking only 20 to 30 minutes. MPulse is a simple in-office procedure that provides long-lasting results, with little or no downtime. Don't sit there and think you have to accept a less than satisfactory love life. Say goodbye to trouble in the bedroom with MPulse.